For upcoming live online courses, you may want to set up reoccurring meetings in Cisco Webex. You can do this a couple of ways. The first is to use the Canvas integration and use the reoccurrence feature there. The second is to use the Maricopa Cisco Webex site, maricopa.webex.com, to set up your class meetings. The Canvas integration allows easy access for the students directly from Canvas without much work on your part. Students will join meetings directly from Canvas and view past recordings from the Cisco Webex tool directly in Canvas. Students are reminded about the meetings in 3 different places: the dashboard, the to-do list, and on their Canvas calendar. As for the maricopa.webex.com, our Cisco Webex host site, you will receive more options during the setup for how you want the meeting to work. Meaning you could allow or disallow chat, you could allow or disallow sharing, and things like that. This is the site that you would go to regardless of how you set up the meetings to get the attendance reports. You also can control how and when you share the recordings with your students, and you can set up meetings to start recording automatically. First, I will show you how to set recurring meetings in Canvas. Go to the Cisco Webex tool. Under Virtual Meetings, click New Meeting. Name it and set the first date. Now under Reoccurrence, change to weekly. Choose the days of your course, let's say Tuesday and Thursday. The ending date feature is broken, so instead estimate after how many meetings the occurrence should end. So for a 16-week class, I have about 30 meetings since we probably don't meet during finals week. I'll choose Create Meeting when we're done. And then within Canvas and on the Maricopa Cisco Webex site, you can actually delete the extra occurrences. The meetings are automatically added to the student calendar, which links to the student to-do list on the home page and dashboard. When the student clicks on the meeting, it will take them to the calendar entry. They will click Join Meeting and then be taken to a page that will give them instructions on joining the meeting from the Cisco Webex tool in the course for the first time to then be able to join directly from the calendar in the future. So now they join. And then this hasn't started, that's why there's an error message. Now when they click on the meeting from the to-do list, they get taken to the calendar entry where they can click Join Meeting. It takes them directly to the meeting, and as long as the meeting starts, then they'll be able to go in. Otherwise, they'll get the recording error that you have not started the meeting yet. Now let's go to maricopa.webex.com and check out your meeting schedule. First, sign in with your MEID at maricopa.edu. You will also have to sign in at the Maricopa portal. Click on Meetings to find a list of all your upcoming meetings. You probably have to change the date range. So start by selecting the From date, go to August, and then in the To date, arrow over till you find December, choose that, and then hit OK. So you'll see a list of all of these meetings. To actually delete a meeting and also to find the link for the meeting, I'm going to use the November, the Thanksgiving holiday as an example. I think it's probably it's probably not the 19th, but I'm going to just show you. If I cancel this meeting, then I only want to cancel this one meeting. Okay. Since this is a reoccurring meeting, all of the meetings have the same login information. And so I could just click on the first meeting and I can copy this meeting link information, or it's even easier is if you click this copy, and then I can put it in some other document, maybe like a Google Doc. Love me some Google Docs. Make a blank page. And if I paste that in there, I can have my, maybe for, I can have my meeting information that I can share with students outside of Canvas as well, just in case. Back on the maricopa.webex.com page, I can go over to Juliet up at the top, or your name, and click on my reports. And this is where I'm going to get an attendance report. It's called a usage report. I choose what date range to look it up. I'm just going to show you, for example, this one, display the report, and then I see a list of all the meetings that I've had. Click on the name, and now I can export the report as a CSV. I have the names, I have the times people logged in, I had the duration, all of that good stuff, just in case you want to keep attendance.